Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Ronnie in Virginia on this Galaxy DX2547. Ronnie, we got it ready to go for you, bud. We did a lot of extensive work to this. We did our tune and alignment, all our upgrades, as well as the Lescomm channel kit. Now, no extra holes in this rig. Channel kit right here. Go to the right. That's your uppers. Go to your left, that's your lowers, and in the center, that is your standard 40. Got a 10 kc jump on it, that's here on your PA switch. Alright, there's that. And did the ultra bright LED in here. And this thing is ready to go. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug, half-watt carrier. I'm going to roll it all the way up. 5 watts all the way up. We'll roll it back down. 100-watt slug. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low, about 16 bird. Peak power. Low, number about 28 peak watts. So it's ready to go for you, Ronnie. I hope you enjoy this beautiful rig. We'll get them sent out to you from your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.